Today, 23 July 2020, you are listening to Punit Narang, your news anchor of Lava Farah Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. PM Modi pitches nation as global investment destination at India Ideas Summit. In letter to PM Modi, Gehlot alleges despicable attempt to topple government. India-US need to focus on something bigger as they talk trade, says Jaishankar. Global economic resilience can meet by stronger domestic capacity, PM Modi. India-US are two vibrant democracies with shared values, PM Modi. Safeguarding the anatomy of tribunals, how PM Modi scores on political communication, undermining Sushant Singh Rajput tragic death. A reality check of health sector. Hare Krishna settled from another draw in bail chess festival. Manipur CM announces strict 7-day statewide lockdown from July 23. CBI court allows you to take more time from prosecution against suspendee SHO. Never been a better time to invest in India, PM Modi tells Americans. Top quote from PM Narendra Modi address at India Summit. Kim Kardashian call from compassion and empathy for Kanye West. Sameer Soni shares why he deleted post on Sushant Singh Rajput. Ranveer Singh seems bored in the house, asks Insta fam और बताओ यार. Pooja weighs in on insider outsider debate after Kangana allegation. Vidya Balan says he was replaced a dozen South film before Pariniti. Give it a go. No harm in applying. How come landed India's coaching job? Gavaskar told Kapil, don't worry, he'll score when time comes. Need detail before making final decision on making in IPL Williamson. Dhoni capacity entirely differently from Ganguly Dravid Kampal. Cricket perfect ending a decade since reached Mount 800. Hare Krishna settled from another draw in bail chess festival. Anirudh Thapa can play in Europe, Portuguese defender scenario. Sprinter Saravani Nanda runs in Jamaica meet. South Africa Irfan Tahir disappointed not to have played for Pakistan. 100 goal milestone yet to sink in Jamie Vardy. India Saturday 2020. NTA conduct first ever India set in 13 countries despite COVID. UP board's level cut won't affect Z-NEET aspirant. 5 students who wrote KAM exam in Kerala contract coronavirus. School cannot hike fee, charge students for transport, laboratory, etc. Bengal government. Our 2.6k student complete academic degree program in IIT Kharagpur in 2019-2020. Rajasthan crisis reach SCED raids Gehlot brother latest update. Terrorist hideout busted in Rajouri, huge catch of arm recovered. Yogi government faces fire over journalist Vikram Joshi killing, who said that. AAP dares Dushant to demand Bhipab the resignation. Yes, their favorism camps in Bollywood. Diya Mirza actor I और बताओ. Throwback to come finest cosplay at Comic Con. A new cheese emerges in France during the coronavirus lockdown. Sero survey down shows 4.7 million in Delhi export to COVID-19. Outdoor workouts rise in New York City and restriction on gym. India at 11.55 lakh COVID-19 cases a day after record 40k spike. I Punit Narang to come with new update tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you.